You are getting 100% Jodi on Women Taking the Lead. I've actually come to recognize the enlivening fear when I check in with myself with one simple question. If I decide not to do this, will I feel regret later? Hello, my name is Jodi Flynn and welcome to Women Taking the Lead, where we are all about creating blasts of inspiration to help you overcome self-doubt so you can lead with confidence, integrity, and a sense of humor. Head over to womentakingthelead.com to join the community and get the resources to support you on your leadership journey. Now, your future awaits, so let's get started. Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me. On the day this episode is releasing, I am in full swing preparing for the Create and Achieve Goals That Are Worthy for You workshop, which is happening tomorrow. I'm so excited about this. I am in my zone when I am leading workshops, and I'm thrilled to be with the women who are attending. I cannot wait to lead them through a process that will help them craft the perfect goals for them, as well as create the plan and begin executing on it. You guys know I get pretty jazzed when I'm talking about goals. I'm also psyched because I will be going to see Jen Sincero tonight. She's the author of the book, You Are a Badass, and she is doing a book signing in Boston for her latest book. Get this title, You Are a Badass Every Day. How to keep your motivation strong, your vibe high, and your quest for transformation unstoppable. Whew. So I've got the Jen Sincero event tonight in Boston, the Goals Workshop tomorrow in Portland, Maine, and this Thursday is the Massachusetts Conference for Women, and I'll be leading a few roundtables in the Technology Pavilion on how to use podcasting to amplify your personal brand. And then on Friday, I'm going to sleep in and play with my sister's puppy. How's that for a week? Enough about me. We are back to talking about Playing Bigger, the awesome book by Tara Moore. And we are diving into Chapter 3 today. And Chapter 3 is titled, A Very Old New Way of Looking at Fear. In this chapter, Tara Moore describes two different types of fear. There is the fear of projected or imagined things, and I call these imagined things perceived threats. They're threats that, our perception is picking up in our environment, but they may not be real. Then there is another type of fear. It's the fear we feel when we come into, and I'm quoting, possession of more energy than we are used to, when we inhabit a larger space than we are used to, and when we are in the presence of the divine. And this last one, being in the presence of divine, that type of fear I would describe as awe. The danger fear comes from the lizard brain and has to do with physical safety. Strange noises, being in unfamiliar places at night, near accidents, and injury will induce this type of fear. But it's important to distinguish between that kind of fear and the fear you feel when you're about to perform. That performance could be a sport, a presentation, delivering a speech, doing a video, etc. This type of fear is actually enlivening rather than threatening, and the more you can distinguish between the two, the more empowered you will be. I've actually come to recognize the enlivening fear when I check in with myself with one simple question. If I decide not to do this, will I feel regret later? If the answer is yes, I will have missed an opportunity and feel regret, I take that fear and turn it into motivational energy. I know I have to act, even if my palms might be sweating, my heart is beating, my mouth is getting dry, my body's tense. That is not danger fear. That's that feeling of like something really big is about to happen. The enlivening energy is about transcending a boundary we've built around ourselves, and the danger energy is about reinforcing the boundaries. When you consider living out a dream of yours, you will feel fear. You just need to decide which kind of fear you feel. Having a danger fear is not bad. It has helped our species to survive. Because we were sensitized to threats in the environment, we were able to initiate a fight or flight response and live to see another day. The problem that has come about is for most of us living in first world countries, we are not exposed to many physical dangers in our environment. Because of this, the danger fear has generalized to include emotional danger. Fear of being rejected, embarrassed, betrayed, or humiliated causes the fight or flight response even though there is no physical danger. Fear also gets generalized situationally. Anything that reminds us of something bad that happened in the past can induce fear. For instance, a teacher may have called you out in front of your class and you felt embarrassment. Now you feel intimidated by any authority figure who could possibly call you out in front of a group. Our past gets layered over our present and our future, causing us to feel concerned, worry, or even feel anxiety over things that haven't happened yet and may never happen. As Tara states, as our fears expand to include a wide set of loosely associated things, we hold ourselves back from playing bigger. All right, we're just going to take a quick pause here on talking about fear to talk about my sponsor, ButcherBox. And ButcherBox has been a sponsor of mine before, so you may remember them. ButcherBox delivers healthy, 100% grass-fed and grass-finished beef, free-range organic chicken, and heritage breed pork directly to your door. ButcherBox carefully curates the finest selections and cuts and makes it a breeze to customize your own delivery. You build your own box online and choose exactly how much and what you and your family will love, and you can choose your delivery frequency. You can rest assured ButcherBox meats come from humanely raised animals that are never fed antibiotics, hormones, or fatty fillers. I've tried ButcherBox products and I was impressed with how easy it was to navigate the website, the way the meats were shipped to ensure freshness in biodegradable packaging, and last but not least, it was delicious. The quality of a meal starts with the quality of the ingredients, and I was not disappointed. For free bacon and $20 off your first box, go to butcherbox.com/lead, L-E-A-D, and enter LEAD, L-E-A-D, as the promotion code at checkout. Again, for free bacon and $20 off your first box, go to butcherbox.com/lead and enter LEAD as the promotional code at checkout. Okay, Tara also, in her book, gives tools for taking yourself out of the perceived danger fear. I'm going to list them here, but Tara goes into more explanation of how to use the tools in her book, Playing Bigger. So please grab a copy of the book so you can get more detail on all of this. And she separates out these tools into categories: heart-based tools, cognitive tools, and somatic tools. So the heart-based tools are: 1, tap into your inner mentor. 2, invite love in. And this tool she learned from Marianne Williamson. And if you don't know it, Marianne Williamson, it's her quote that I read at the end of every episode of Women Taking the Lead. And if you don't know by now, she is considering running for president. So you're going to want to find out more about that. Okay, the third heart-based tool is get curious. 4, shift into another positive state. 5, reconnect to your desire to serve. 6, talk with your younger self. Cognitive tools. 7, label the feeling. 8, analyze truth, possibility, and probability. 9, come back to the present moment. 10, follow fear to the end game. Somatic tools. Breathe. 12, do a physical relaxation. 13, visualize or look at calming imagery. 14, use music. 15, move through it. Having a toolkit to face fear will be priceless to you, as there are always new situations that will invoke fear, and you don't want to live a half life because you can't manage your fear of perceived danger. Also, since the theme here is playing bigger, make a list of the things that cause you to feel worry, concern, fear, or anxiety when you think about playing bigger. The behaviors associated with this are avoidance or escape. What are you avoiding because you are afraid you will be embarrassed or rejected or not supported? Know that playing big will invoke both types of fear, but we need to examine and shift the danger fear into the enlivening fear. In talking with many of you around playing big, or even just playing it where you are now, I know one of your big struggles is managing your time. You may even feel concern, worry, or anxiety around your time. And if that's the case, I have a program that is what you need to free yourself up and let go of overwhelm. In this program, I cover 7 different strategies that will help you get control of your time, your calendar, and your peace of mind so you are accomplishing everything you want to be accomplishing with more ease and a sense that there is plenty of time. This program is seriously just $19, and I guarantee you will get results and feel relief around your schedule and your to-dos. To find out more about this program, go to womentakingthelead.com/time. That's womentakingthelead.com/time. As always, I hope this was of value to you, and here's to your success. Thank you all for joining me on Women Taking the Lead. And to strengthen you on your own leadership journey, I'd like to send you off with a quote from Marianne Williamson, so here goes. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We are all meant to shine as children do. We were born to make manifest the glory of God that is within us. It's not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others. Again, thank you for joining me, and here's to your success.